Alright guys, let's solve this question together. It says 4 root x is equal to 2x. How do we solve this? Now the first thing to do when you see this question is to isolate this root x on one side. So let's go ahead and do it now. So we have root x is equal to 2x over 4. Now we can reduce 2 over 4, okay? And 2 over 4 is equal to half. So we have half times x root x. Now we can try to square both sides. So we raise this side to the power of 2 and raise this side to the power of 2. Now root x raised to the power of 2, this root and the power will cancel. So we have only x remaining, and this is equal to half squared is 1 over 4 and x raised to the power of 2 is x squared. Now multiplying out each term by 4, we have 4x to be equal to 4 will cancel 4 here to give me what? Only x squared left. Okay. At this point, we can now decide to cross over this to this side. So we have 0 is equal to x squared minus 4x. Okay. If we factor out x, because x is common between the two, we have x into x squared. X into x squared is x remaining. Okay. Minus x into 4x is 4 remaining, is equal to 0. Now, when the product of two things is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0, so it's either that x is equal to 0, or we have that x minus 4 is equal to 0. From here, we can conclude that x is equal to 4. And this is the answer to that question. Cheers.